Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Diva. My identification number 2110 73 10 and 15. Okay, on this video, I would like to tell about an overview of the history of conversation analysis. So the main topics on this material is the first one is the birth of CA, and the next one is key figures in CA such as Sachs, Sigloff, and Jefferson. And the third one is CA's distinct place in linguistics and sociology. Okay, we move to the first topic is the birth of CA. So, the mode of analysis which grew into CA began with the puzzle, and the style of word which has come to be known as conversation analysis is associated of the pioneering research of Harvey Sachs. And in this case, Sachs' approach is how to identify the name of agent or the callers. Either the callers would not say their name. And the next one is the key figures of CA. For the first researcher is Sachs on in 1992. So the first example of the dialogue is, "This is Mr. Smith. May I help you?" And "I can hear you. This is Mr. Smith" with underline. And the next one is Smith. So in the conversation analysis, the transcripts try to capture what not only what was said, but also what the way it was said. For the examples of the dialogue is the Smith with underline. So the underline indicates the speaker's trace of this word. And the next one is "I can hear you." So it is a method by which he could accomplish the activity of not giving a name without explicitly to do so. And as Sachs note in his very lecture, there are paired units such as greetings, question and answers, and invitations and response, and so on. So we move to the next researcher of CA, Skegloff in 1986. For example, is in the dialogue Nancy and Hyla. Nancy, hello. The phone is ringing, and Nancy said hello, and Hyla said hi, and Nancy said hi, and Hyla said how are you. And the illustrates what Skegloff calls core phases of the openings on the telephone calls, which is organized around pairs of activities. And core sequence also inform the ways in which we negotiate and exit from telephone interaction. And the last one is Kel Jefferson, and devised a system of transcribing which use symbols available on conventional typewriter and computer. So it particularly useful for capturing of speech production and temporal positioning of utterances relative to each other. So The system focuses on the property of turn taking, and it captures features of the production of thought. And the last is contribution CA to linguistics and sociology. For the linguistics, CA provides insight into complex dynamics of spoken language, like linguistic techniques speakers use to convey meaning and build relationship. And therefore, contribution CA to sociology to investigate the social order and the ways in which individuals coordinate their activities through thought. Okay, I think that's all from my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.